In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in a circle shape in Canva. This is a simple yet effective way to create visually appealing graphics, whether for personal projects, social media posts, or professional presentations. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your Canva design page. If you haven't already logged in or set up a design, go ahead and do that now. Once you're on your Canva dashboard, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. This is your main navigation tool for adding elements, text, and more to your design. Next, click on the Elements tab in this left sidebar. This section is where you can find a variety of shapes, graphics, and other design components to enhance your project. It's a treasure trove of creativity, so feel free to explore it later if you have time. Within the Elements section, you'll want to scroll down until you find Frames. Frames in Canva are essentially placeholders that you can drag photos into, and they automatically crop the image to the shape of the frame. This feature is perfect for our task at hand. Once you've located the Frame section, look for a circle frame. There are usually several options, but you'll want to choose the basic circle to keep things straightforward for this tutorial. Click on it, and it will be added to your design page. Now that you have your circle frame on the page, you can adjust its size and position. Simply click and drag the corners of the circle to resize it, or click and drag the entire frame to move it around your canvas. Position it exactly where you want your image to appear. The next step is to drag your desired photo over the circle frame. Select the image you want to use from your Uploads or Photos library and simply drag it over to the circle frame. You'll see it automatically snap into the circle shape, perfectly cropped, just like that. And there you have it. You've successfully cropped an image into a circle shape using Canva. From here, you can continue customizing your design, adding text, colors, or other elements to complete your project. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different frame shapes and images to see what works best for your specific needs. Thanks for following along with this Canva tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now feeling more confident in your design skills. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your creative potential with Canva. Happy designing!